Hi, I'm Jay, and this is the GeneralAire DH75 dehumidifier. There's also a DH100, which looks much the same as this one, only it's a larger capacity and the ductwork sizes are slightly different. So in this particular unit, it has 8-inch flanges that come with it for the front and the back. And what we've done here is a installation that would be typical of an application where you have a whole home that you want to dehumidify and you don't have any ductwork in the house, or you have ductwork but you don't want to attach the dehumidifier to it for some reason. So what we've done is we have 8-inch coming into it on this end, 8-inch coming off of the back, and a couple of simple grills. You would of course have much longer duct than we have in our little example here. So if you were doing this, you could place this, for instance, in the basement or crawl space. If it's in an area that could potentially flood, you of course would want to get it up on cinder blocks like we've done here. We have a drain line coming off of it that goes to a drain source. This is the inlet, so this is where you would connect this. Let's, for instance, if it's again in a crawl space or basement, you would have a floor grill at one end of the home, and you would remove the humid air from that end of the home, and then preferably on the opposite end of the home, you would discharge the dry air, which is coming out of this end here. So you could have, let's just say, 2 floor grills, one over here, at different ends of the home. The humid air is drawn in on this one, and the dry air is discharged out of this one at this other end of the home. So you could get a good flow of air through the entire home. Now you can do the same thing if you want to put this in an attic. So you could either set this on the floor of the attic or hang it from the roof trusses. If it's in an attic, it is a really good idea to put an auxiliary drain pan under the unit, just in case something stupid happens to the drain line. But same thing, you would have this one of the ducts, and in case this is the intake here, you'd have that at one end of the home over here, discharge at the other end of the home, and same thing, you would remove the humid air from this end of the home, discharge the dry air over at this end of the home, so that you get a good flow through the entire house. And it's a fairly simple install. The ductwork, of course, and the registers and grills are not included with the unit. But there are collars on this particular model. There's an 8-inch collar front and back that is included in the box. And that's pretty much it.